Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 34. Which is a solution to a to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 equal 1/2 to the power of x? Before we start, we have to review for a few formula for the exponent property. So if we have the base a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, the product between that two will be a to the power of m plus n. One more formula is a to the power of m and to the power of n. This one is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by n. Remember, the product will produce the result of additions, the power. So let's highlight it. Here the multiplications, that additions. When we have the powers, okay, the power, that is the product. That easy to make a mistake, okay? Then the last one is if we have n to the power of a to the power of negative n, that will be 1 to the power 1 over a to the power of n. And this one also can be 1 to the power of 1 over a to the power of n. Why? Because 1 to the power of n, that is 1, because 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 is still 1, right? And 10. Okay? So let's working on these questions. We'll have 8 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 4, that equal 1/2 to the power of x. Now we have a to the power of x, that is, we see that 2 is the base, right? We can always convert to the smallest base number, right? And the smallest one is 2. So 8 is 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2. So a is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x. We apply the power rule, right? So we have the base right here. 3 times x is 3x. Okay? So if we look at a is equal 2 in this case, m is equal 3, and then n is equal x. If we apply the second formula, okay? Now 2 to the power of 4, we keep it the same. So let's rewrite this one. 2 to the power of 3x multiply 2 to the power of 4, that equal 2. Now we have 2 to the power of 3x multiply 2 to the power of 4. This is the multiplications. So we'll have the same base. 2, 3x is our m. We add n is 4. Okay. This is formula 2. This is formula 1. M equal 3x, n equal 4. So on the left side, we will have 2 to the power of 3x plus 4 Now one more thing is 1/2 to the power of x. That is 1 to the power of 2 to the power of x. 1/2 to the power of x. And that equals 2 to the power of negative x. That's formula number 3. We go backwards. Okay, we go from here, go back here. A is 2, and then n is x, right? So this one we will write out as 2 to the power of negative x. Okay, so now we have something with the same base, so the exponent have to be the same. So 2 is the same. 3x plus 4 have to be the same as minus x. Now we solve for x. Okay. We add x both sides. We have 4x and 4 that equal 0. Okay, so that's one and this one. Now we subtract 4 both sides. We will have 4x equal negative 4. Okay, this one cancel. Then we divide both sides by 4. So this one is 1. So we left with x equal negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. So x equal negative 1 is the correct answer. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.